First, right-click anywhere on the desktop and select Personalize. This opens the main appearance settings window. To change the layout of Start menu, click Start option. If you want to learn more about Start menu, I have a complete video in the same playlist. You can click here to watch that video. We have 3 layouts. This is the Pins section, and this is Recommended section. Now by the first option, the Start menu will have more for pin items. And selecting the last option will increase the area for Recommended section. Default is Balance. Let us move to the next option, which is Folder. If you want to add shortcuts to certain folders on the Start menu, next to the Power button, then the list is given. Let me turn on Documents, Downloads, Music and Picture. Open the Start menu and you can notice the shortcuts.